نبغى نغير هذا. We need to replace this switch. It's broken as you see. All we need this for peanut butter, سكينة الزبدة, and new switch like this one. I buy it from AliExpress. I will share the link. You need to put this right here, and there is a clip. You need to just a minute. You need There is a clip. You need to press on this one and rise it up. Sorry guys, my English is not that strong. Now all we need to open this one and this one and raise it up. Now I really had a hard time to open this, to release the switch, the old switch. Now all I need to wash it because I don't want to open it again. So I need it to be clean. الآن نركب الجديدة. Okay. Now all we need to plug this one in. It's very easy. Just 1 minute. And the other one, taste it. It's working. Another one. Okay, that's all. Just put it back as it was. Maybe you need to clean this around. I will clean it.